Hey guys, the reason why I'm here is because just today is the last game to participate in this Waves Ducks YouTube round. So I'm here with my video. In this video, I'm going to explain about what is Waves Ducks actually, and we are going to learn about what is this game about, and what does an egg token mean, and how can we get an egg, and how can we participate in this game, what is the actual process, and also we'll get to know what are the benefits which we are getting using this game. Let's dive deeper. What is this game about? Duck Hunters is a game which motivates the community to promote this Waves ecosystem. In this game, they are giving us a digital duck NFT tokens, which we can get them using egg. What does an egg token mean? Egg is not a speculative token. It is just a currency. Waves community is planning to give 1 million egg tokens to all the members who are participating in this game. The distribution of these egg tokens will be done in several stages. Initially, 2 lakh egg tokens were being distributed on the first year of this game. Later, the speed will reach to 10,000 tokens a week. How can we earn this egg token? One can collect these egg tokens by benefiting the ecosystem, like by participating in the tasks which they were mentioned on their Waves social media platforms, and also by promoting Waves ecosystem, such as this Waves Exchange, Swapy.fi, Neutrino, Synart, and other platforms. Or there is another way to get an egg, which is like simply buying it on the exchange and exchanging them with the Waves. To participate in this game, one must have to register on this waves.exchange, so that we'll get a unique Waves address. After registering, we need to log in onto this waves.exchange website, and then once after logging in, we need to redirect to another website called wavesducks.com, where we can start breeding ducks. Before going to wavesducks.com, let's know how many eggs are required to breed ducks. As they mentioned in the Medium white paper, they said that a minimum of 3 egg tokens were required to get a single duck. To breed, at least we require 2 ducks. So at least we need 7 egg tokens to breed 2 ducks. So after logging into wavesducks.com, this is how the dashboard looks like. Here we can see 3-4 menu like My Farm, Incubator, Breeding, and Marketplace. My Farm is the place where we can see all our ducks which we got from breeding. As of now, there are no any ducks in my wallet, so it is showing empty. Now let's go to the incubator section. Before going to incubator section, let's know the process of hatching. As per the document which is available on internet, they mentioned that there are 4 different background colors of the images which they are going to present with 8 Genesis ducks. In that, some of them named as Elon, Sushi, Satoshi, Bogdanov, and Chad. These are some of the images of those rare NFT ducks. Now let's go to the hatching section. Once after going to incubator section, you can see that there are 6.37x which were bought by exchanging Waves. Now to hatch a single duck, we require 3.12 of an egg. So I'll click on that hatch a duck option, and now it is going to ask me to confirm the hatching process. Once after confirming the hatching process, the hatching gets started and it will take around 3 minutes to hatch a single duck. As I require 2 ducks, I will start hatching 2 eggs. After hatching 2 eggs, my remaining account balance was 0.15 egg. After completion of 3 minutes, now I got 2 eggs got hatched. Now I need to claim these 2 ducks. To claim also it will ask me to confirm. After pressing confirm, I will receive my 2 ducks. After that, I will go to the breeding section, which is on the last option in the menu. Now here I will select the parent ducks which I need to breed. As you can see, these are the 2 parent ducks which I am going to breed, and I am pressing on the option breed. Now it is asking me to confirm. After confirming, it will take another 3 more minutes to breed, and this is the final duck which I need to claim from those parents. After breeding, I got a Dodge duck with a rarity of 19%. Now I can sell this duck at marketplace. As you can see, the buyout price was 1500 waves, and you can place a bid of whatever amount you can. And before selling it on marketplace, we need to know one thing, that one duck can be breeded only once. After breeding, the parent ducks become sterile. By swapping eggs for ducks and breeding or buying, players will collect a unique NFTs. These collections must be unique so that we can create packs. After creating packs, they can be bought by the organizers themselves. How will we benefit by this game? With this game, we can collect rare duck NFTs, and we can sell them on a marketplace at whatever price we want to sell. It will benefit us 10 times more than our investment. And or else, if you don't want to collect any NFTs, or you don't want to hatch any ducks, you can just simply collect all the eggs and you can start farming. With farming, we can have benefits of staking those eggs, and also we can voting for a buyback options, and the duck breeding process will be fast if we farm these duck eggs. I hope you understand. Thank you.